Hi guys, I'm gonna show you two of my slimes from just a little bit of my slime collection. So these are my slimes side by side. This one's fluffy. This one is glossy and stretchy. It's super nice on my opinion. I hope I'm poking the slime right. Because I watched this one YouTube girl who pokes it with one finger. This is so fun, guys. And this is so clicky.
Patrick, it's me, SpongeBob. It's my turn to play with the toy. I just washed my hair. You don't have any yet. Come on, Patrick, it's my turn. I have my milkshake dispenser operator's license.
Everybody makes channeling look so easy, but it's definitely not easy. It took me a long time to start this channel. But hey, this is already my second video, and I think it's doing great. This one is really soft to me, but not as soft as this one. So guys, is this leg good or not good? Because I can't really tell. So gone. Couldn't spread it. Okay, guys. So guys, I was wondering if you guys like this video. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And so see you guys in my next video.